Hello everyone, welcome to Gogetmyguru. In this session, we'll discuss how to find the missing number in a list Python. In interview, the interviewer will give you some list of numbers which contains 1, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13. And interviewer will ask you to write program. In output, should print this given list along with the numbers which are missing in the given list. I hope you clear with this question. This is also important Python interview question. It is very simple program. Let's start writing program. First we'll write given list which is given by the interviewer, that is 1, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13. Next, what we need to write? Next, we need to write according to the question which is asked by the interviewer. This given list should print in output. So for that we need to write print given list. So now let's run this code. Here we are getting the given list in output. We'll add string here. So now run this code. The output is given list is. To get list of numbers which is in the range from 0th index to last index. So write list of range of given list of 0th index, given list of -1 plus 1. And store this list in new variable, name it new list. And then print this new list. Now we'll run this code and we'll see what output we'll get. So for first print function, we are getting the given list is 1, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13. And for second print function, we are getting the output is the new list. So it is printing the numbers from 1 to 13. I will tell you why it is printing from numbers 1 to 13. We'll copy that range of list 0 and given list -1 plus 1. So here, let me explain you the logic. Range of given list of 0th index, given list -1 plus 1. In 0th index, the number 1 is present. So, given list of 0, it is 1, given list of -1. In -1 index, the 13 number is present. So, 13 plus 1 will become 14. Then the range of list be 1, 14. List of range of 1, 14. Because of this, we'll get new list which contains the numbers from 1 to 13, which includes the number 1 and excludes the number 14. So we saved that new list in new list variable and printed that new list in output. We understood the code, and next now we need to find the number which is missing in given list. How we can do that? By which method we can find that missing numbers in the given list? Now we have two lists of numbers. First is given list and another one is new list, which contains some set of numbers. By comparing these two lists, we need to find the missing numbers in the given list which is given by the interviewer. By using which method we can find the numbers which are missed in the given list. I hope you heard about symmetric difference method, which is denoted by cap. In mismatch string program, we already used this symmetric difference method. You can watch that mismatch string program by clicking above card. Symmetric difference method returns a set that contains all the items from both sets which are not common from both sets. For example, in given list we have some numbers, and also in new list we have some numbers. There are some numbers which are not in given list. So we need to find those numbers in given list by comparing with given list and new list. We need to find those numbers by using this symmetric difference method. Let's write code for this. Set given list symmetric difference method, which is denoted by cap, and then set new list. We'll store this in variable missing number in given list. Then we'll print that variable with string missing number in given list, missing number in given list. Please subscribe. So let's run this code and we'll see what output we'll get. So the given list is 1, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, which is given by the interviewer, and the new list is in range of, here it is printing the numbers from 1 to 13, and it is also printing missing number in given list are 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12. How we are getting these numbers means it is by symmetric difference method. The symmetric difference method finds the uncommon numbers by comparing given list and new list. And then second one is find the missing number in a list Python by using object-oriented programming concept. This is also very simple. For the same program, just create a class with name missing number and then create a method with name get missing number in given list with self parameter and then change the indentations. We'll delete this. Then create object for the missing number class. Missing number is equal to missing number. Then through this object call the method. Let me explain you this code. First class is created with name missing number and then method is created with name get missing number in given list with self keyword and object is created for the missing number class. Through that object method is called. When that method get missing number in given list method is called, after running this code in output it will print the given list and it will print the new list, and through symmetric difference method, by using symmetric difference method it will print the missing numbers in the given list which is compared with the new list. So let's run this code. We are getting the output as we expected. The missing numbers in given list is 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12. If you want, you can change the given list. We'll change this given list 1, 3, 5. This given list is 1, 3, 5. The new list is in range of 1 to 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and then missing number in given list is 2 and 4. I hope all of you understood this program. Thanks for watching. Please do like, give feedback and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to support us.